Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make homemade clay without any corn flour and no cooking process. So let's start. For this we need some basic items. 1 white cement, 2 oil, any kind of oil, 3 glue, 4 little bit water, 5 a spoon to mix the mixture, and 6 a pot. So first take 3 spoon of white cement. The measurement will be 3-1-1. It means 3 spoon white cement, 1 spoon glue and 1 spoon oil and a little bit water to mix the mixture. So first I have taken 3 spoon of white cement and then add 1 spoon of glue and mix the mixture as there's no lumps in it. Now I will add 1 spoon of oil. Here I have used coconut oil. You can use any kind of oil like cooking oil also. The oil is basically used for the moisture. It will help to not crack and also smooth finishing. Now I will add a little bit water to mix the mixture perfectly. Don't add too much water, and if you need some moisture then you can add some glue or oil, but don't use too much water because it won't work. So we have to knead it very perfectly. If we knead well, the clay will be softened and good for sculpting any item. So the clay is ready for sculpting, and now we have to clean the surface because it's a little bit mess. Today I will make a pizza trinket tray with this clay. So now I am cutting the clay with a round lid. Now just see the process of making my pizza. After making the pizza, we have to wait for dry overnight. Now it's time to color the items which I have made with this air dry clay, and this air dry clay is suitable for flat surface items, but it's not that much suitable for modeling, sculpting. Here I am using some varnish to protect the color, and if you use varnish it will stay a long time. So if you like my video, please comment below and also subscribe for these creative ideas. Allah Hafiz.